Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrobatics. 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 Acrobatics is a noun that refers to the art or practice of performing physically demanding feats or movements, often with a focus on agility, balance, and precision. It encompasses various activities that involve impressive and skillful physical displays. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Circus performers undergo extensive training to master the art of acrobatics, which includes aerial stunts and balancing acts. Why acrobatics is used in example number 1. Acrobatics describes the impressive physical feats in the circus. Example number 2. Aerial silks artists captivate audiences with their mesmerizing acrobatics high above the stage. Why acrobatics is used in example number 2. Acrobatics is used to highlight the mesmerizing movements on aerial silks. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.